Hello friends, in this video, I will show you how to use tab character, that is /t character, in a printf statement. So let's see how it will be used. Let's check, let's write a program. As include stdio.h. Next, void main, opening curly bracket, int a equal to 10, b equal to 20, semicolon. Inside the printf statement, I'm writing a equal to %d slash t again b equal to %d, b equal to b equal to %d, double quotation end, a comma b, semicolon, closing curly bracket. So the execution will start from the opening curly bracket and ends at the closing curly bracket. Here I have declared two variables, one in the name of a, which holds 10, another in the name of b, which holds 20. So in the printf statement, I want to show the use of a tab character inside the two variables. When I am printing two variables, the tab character will make a space. So how it will be, how will be the output? The output should be like this: a equal to 10, then b equal to 20. The output will be like this, and there will be a space. That means tab /t will make this space. Okay. So now let's run the program in the dev C++ editor, and we'll see how it is working. So here I'm opening my dev C++ editor. It is already open. In the new, I'm going to source file. Now this is opened. I'm writing the program has include stdio.h void main, so opening curly bracket, closing curly bracket, int a comma a is equal to 10 comma b is equal to 20, semicolon. In the printf statement, within double quotation, I'm writing a is equal to %d, then /t, then b is equal to %d. Okay, next comma a comma b, then semicolon. Okay, now my program is complete. Here a will be the first variable will be assigned to first %d, and the second variable, the value of the second variable will be assigned to second %d. So let's see how it is executing. So for that, I'm compiling the program, and it will ask me to name the program. So I'm writing suppose tab1, and I'm saving C source files, that is .c extension. Yes, compilation is complete and errors and warnings are 0. You can see. You can see that this is void main, and I have declared two variables, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Inside the printf statement, I have declared a equal to %ld slash t, b equal to %ld within double quotation and comma a comma b. That means a will be assigned to first %ld and b will be assigned to second %ld. So let's see how it is executing. You can see just like this. Now I'm executing the screen. You can see a equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, and there is a space exists. That is the tab character. Okay. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Okay. Thank you.